Hey everyone, Reishman Sakai here. So my hair growth journey is looking magnificent this last month. From switching from the Dermaroller 0.25 to the Dermaroller 0.5. I'm seeing a lot of growth within the first month. And yes, I can definitely put that on me switching from the Dermaroller, the smaller Dermaroller to the longer Dermaroller. I think that made a big, I think it made a lot of difference. And just being consistent with the blends that I already incorporate into my hair growth, as far as the reishi and the biotin shampoo and conditioner, all that, just it's like the perfect combo. So just going into full disclosure mode, I feel like I could have had more of an impact with my hair results within the first year, but I think diet and also just abstaining from alcohol really kind of held me back. And so when I started this new year, I've been off of alcohol for probably like going on 2 months, and I've noticed that it helps. It helps just with dehydration. It helps with, just being more hydrated now. I feel like, my minerals are being absorbed more effectively. And after doing some research, I realized that, if you don't cut the alcohol, then the minerals that you're putting in your hair, that you've been doing for God knows how long, a lot of that stuff kind of gets handicapped. It doesn't effectively absorb fully because of the alcohol. So I had to make the hard decision to abstain from that. And it ain't easy. It ain't easy quitting, just addictive stuff. But, alcohol is probably the lesser big, it's probably not as hard quitting alcohol as it is quitting something else, especially like tobacco or something. But luckily that's not something that I, have to deal with as far as hair journey. So yes, I detoxed myself from alcohol. I stayed consistent with my mushroom intake, because not only do I apply mushrooms topically, but I also use the extract and put it in my smoothies, and I put it in my juice, mostly smoothies and juice. And not only do I put just reishi, chaga, I put lion's mane, turkey tail. I got extracts for all those. Yeah, like I said in my first video, I love mushrooms. The healing benefits of it is amazing. So I stay consistent with that. If anything, that has helped me just with my holistic healing. Honestly, that my holistic healing has been more consistent since. And honestly, going off a topic just briefly, like even when I started incorporating mushrooms when I was drinking, because my body used to be poor with alcohol. I used to, like, my hangovers used to be like, horrible. I used to think that the alcohol was practically tearing my body apart, which it is. But when I incorporated the mushrooms in it, ironically, those hangovers kind of just got wiped. I'm 36 years old. I thought this was something that I was going to have to deal with for the rest of my life. And honestly, the irony in it is that the, mushrooms actually, took care of the hangovers and started making me feel less like crap, and the opposite. So I don't know the explanation behind that. All I know is that it started happening when I started taking mushrooms. All right, right back on topic though. So I detoxed from alcohol, and also I have started this new journey with the 0.5, and I am so excited about just how my hair follicles are just like growing really noticeably. I'm gonna show a picture real quick, check it out. And within the first month, my hair follicles are becoming that much more present. And that goes to show you that, going off of my previous video with the Dermaroller, is it worth it? Heck yeah, it's worth it. Switch to that 0.5. Do not go lower. If you want to start getting results like anybody that's on a hair growth journey will want, then you got to do it right. And honestly, those Dermaroller needle size really do make a difference. So I'm gonna be the one to go ahead and say that, and I think I have a right to say it now, because I've been I used the 0.25 for 5 or 6 months ish, And within the first month of switching to 0.5, I'm seeing a noticeable difference. It works. It works. So with that said, order it from Amazon or order it from wherever, because I stay from where I stay. If you're gonna go down the street to get a Dermaroller, 9 times out of 10 is going to be a 0.25. I haven't seen any 0.5s just sitting in Walmart or in any of the beauty stores. All I seen was the 0.25s. You got to order them, and honestly, it's worth it. Take the hit, wait on it. It's worth it. So, with that said, I abstaining from alcohol, switching over from the 0.5 Dermaroller. And also, the last thing that I did was incorporate rosemary oil into my oil blend, because I already got an oil blend of reishi, emu oil, chibi powder, and avocado oil. I'm trying to think of anything else that I put in there. Yeah, sometimes I put almond oil and olive oil, but that's mostly just for reduce the potency of just the essential oils that I already have. But yeah, very good. The rosemary is definitely recommended through just various outlets. After I did my research, I seen how profound using rosemary oil is on the hair growth and just scalp healing. So I decided, yeah, I'm just going to do that. And really, that's all the major changes that I'm really going to make for this next year, because already I'm seeing that my hair is taking a turn for the, really, really going up. And it's not taking a turn, but it's progressing much faster. So I already have, like I said from the earlier videos, it's going to be a crazy summer, and I look forward to it. And y'all need to stay tuned. I'm going to post the clips up of just where I started to where I finished, like I normally do at the end of my video, so that you can see again just how amazing my results are after using the 0.5 for 1 month. All right. With that said, Reishman out. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. We out. Hey.